We create products that make a genuine difference to people's lives. It makes the schools safer, it makes the school buses safer, it makes the paramedics safer, it makes better health outcomes, it makes the traffic better. We're changing the world. Applied Information is quite an interesting manufacture process for a technology company. Three main components to our business, which is the embedded field devices, the wireless telematics, and the cloud software. The Glance interface is the way you manage and monitor your systems. So it's all our intellectual property. We design the printed circuit boards and buy the components, assemble them, and then finally test them and ship them out of our offices here in Alpharetta, Georgia.
We've had a partnership with Applied Information for 7 years, and to think about where we were when we first spoke with them to where we are now, we've put out 10,000 products in the field. We've managed probably several dozen projects together. Applied Information is very special to me.
Hi, I'm Andy Lobing. I'm in charge of our operations team here, responsible for final assembly and test of what we do here from a manufacturing perspective on how we deliver our goods to our customers. We're going to get to see firsthand how we do that here in Atlanta. Everybody here owns quality. We don't inspect quality in because quality is already inherent into the products that we build and deliver. You'll see that the processes allow the flow of those goods to happen as it goes from build to goods to receipt, and then how we manage that internally when we test our products, as we follow our procedures, as we look at our documentation. We're always cross-checking purchase order. Very robust quality management system. It's built on the foundation that the management team are always under review and understanding on how we do it and when we do it. We ship to order, so when a customer PO comes in, we build and ship configuration to order. We take pride in that. In the background, in what you see here on our shelves, we also have a very keen approach in the industry. We've leaned forward into the supply chain challenges that we've had, that the industry has experienced. And we have approximately 6 months of finished goods ready to deliver and configure on our shelves. We're ready to deliver with quality, on time, as requested on the PO. I thank you for your time. I'm Andy Lobing. I encourage you to reach out to me at any time if you have any questions or if there's any more information I can help you with. And thank you.